Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Tutorials, and in this video we will see what is delinquency aging. So about delinquency aging in cards and payment domain, let's break it down in clearly for you. So first thing, what is delinquency? When a cardholder does not make a payment of TAD or MAD amount by the payment due date, in that case the account will be delinquent. So MAD, that is minimum payment due, minimum payment due. TAD is total amount due. PDD is payment due date. Billing cycle means statement date. So if customer is not making payment of TAD or MAD amount till the PDD, in that case account will be marked as a delinquent. So in delinquency, we are having total 9 cycles. So let's see that. So if account is having CD value as 0, then our bucket is in 0. In that case, DPT, that is past due days, which consists that from how many days account is delinquent. It is past due date. DPD means from how many days account is past due. So for ZD 0 CD level, the DPD will be 0. That is customer made or customer did full payment or customer did a MAD payment. Second, we are having a CD1 for which DPD will be from 1 to 30 as customer is not made a payment or customer missed payment for the first billing cycle. Missed payment for first billing cycle. So let's take a scenario behind this. So for example, I have opened account on 20th May. Then I have activate my card and I did a transaction, cash withdrawal transaction on 20th May. My statement will done on 20th July as my account open on the 20th May. So in statement will have the 30 days. So my statement will done or billing cycle is 20th June and my PDD is 1st of July. So I have done a transaction on 25th. So till 8th of July, if I did not make payment, in that case, my account will mark as a delinquent for a CD1. Then we are having DPD. Next DPD is from 41 or from 31 to 60. That means customer did not make his payment for CD2 as well. Then DPD from 61 to 90. That is customer did not make payment for a third cycle. Then we'll have DPD from 91 to 120. That is customer did not make his payment for fourth cycle. And in this case, the account will be in high risk, that is high risk delinquent. High risk delinquent. So when account is in CD4, in that case, account will be the high delinquent account. Then we are having next DPD bucket from 121 to 150. that is served delinquency. Delinquency. Next bucket is from 151 to 118. That is very high risk, and nearing to write off or nearing to charge off. The charge off concept will be seen on next video. So it will be near to write off or charge off. So if the account is in CD5, that means customer did not payment till the fifth CD or fifth cycle. For the CD6, then we are having the CD9, that means customer, the account considered in a loss for these three CDs after 7, and it will mark as in collection, that is account will consider as loss and it will write off. So these are the total CDs on the collection in delinquency aging. Let's take one example now. Let's take one example. So my payment due date is 8th of July, and consider that customer did not make a payment of MAD or TAD amount. So on 15th July, let's see, on 15th July, my account is in DPD 5. Let's see. My DPD of this account will be 5 and CD will mark as a 1. DPD will be 5 and the CD will mark as a 1 for this account. So in this way, a delinquency aging will calculate. Let's take another example. On 1st of July,